Hi everyone, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Comadis all stainless steel tube filling machine. It's set up for metal tubes. It's the C100 model. I'll give you a look at it right now. We're running directly through the drive. See, it starts with an automatically fed hopper, it's loading device, pneumatic cleaner, locator, filling station, has a 53mm piston on it. See the metal closing heads. Starts with a flattener, then of course the two folders, which creating a double fold. The third station in the middle you see open can be added. This one station here is used to push the tube back in should any of the closers pull it up from the holding fixture. And of course you'll see it's missing one arm on the coating station. Easy to duplicate and replace. The machine has a couple issues in some of the safeties on the doors. Has its original factory control system to Omron PLCs. It's had a modification, which is an Allen Bradley PLC operating that little touchscreen you see there. We have lots of packaging and processing equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.